Guys, join me. I'm out in the office because I have an errand together with my husband. So I'll be meeting him in Market. Yeah. So, pasaway tayo guys. Tawid tayo here. Yeah. We're in High Street. Global BGC. Hindi naman siya masyadong mainit. Not so hot. It's humid, I think. And baka there are some area today na talagang sobrang init. So we're now here in 11th Street. Ito tayo. Join lang kayo guys habang naglalakad tayo going to market. So from 11th Street dito tayo sa area ng Lane 0. Actually nainit na nga pala. Tawid tayo doon sa bandang gawin doon sa may Old Navy. Yeah. And so High Street to guys. Ito yung Polybook. So kainitan, lunch break, dami pa rin tao. So, tawid tayo guys dito. Yan. Naka-stop siya. Where this one? High Street. Yan. So, tayo natin mag-stop. Yan lang. Market na siya. So, wala